Today, we're unpacking one of the hottest topics in personal finance, the 50-30-20 rule. Now, if you've been itching to level up your financial game, this is the video you don't want to miss. Picture this. You're cruising through life, but your bank account feels like it's stuck in first gear. Sound familiar? Well, buckle up because we're about to turbocharge your financial journey with this game-changing principle. But hey, before we get started, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button below. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on our future money-saving secrets and wealth-building hacks. Okay, let's dive right in and uncover the magic of the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule has been a staple in personal finance for quite some time, offering a practical framework for building wealth. While I'll delve into some critiques later in this discussion, it's crucial to acknowledge that, in most instances, adhering to this rule can significantly improve your financial standing compared to not utilizing it. To apply this rule effectively, the initial step is to ascertain your post-tax income. This involves examining your pay stub to determine the amount deposited into your bank account after taxes are deducted. Considering deductions for healthcare or retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs is also essential to arrive at an accurate income figure for our purposes. Maintaining a budget is another crucial aspect. Utilizing a budget template enables you to track your income and expenditures effectively. This practice grants you a clear understanding of your financial standing, facilitating informed decisions regarding the allocation of funds. Once you've completed these preliminary steps, calculating post-tax income, considering non-tax deductions, and establishing a budget, we can delve into the specifics of the 50-30-20 rule. Understanding the allocation of your finances is crucial. The 50-50th rule suggests that, ideally, half of your income should cover your essential needs. However, this is a guideline, not a strict mandate. It's an aspiration to strive for. Achieving this balance might be challenging, especially for those with lower wages. Yet, earning higher wages could make it more attainable, depending on your location. Essential needs encompass various aspects. Firstly, housing. This means having a roof over your head, not necessarily a luxurious dwelling. Secondly, food. Not dining out, but rather groceries to sustain yourself. Healthcare is paramount for everyone, regardless of income, as good health is invaluable. Utilities are essential to maintaining basic living conditions, ensuring you have electricity, water, and a stable residence. Additionally, minimum debt payments are classified as needs. While certain purchases, like a TV, may not be essential, meeting minimum payments on debts is vital. Defaulting on loans can have severe consequences, including damage to your credit score. According to the 50-30-20 rule, it's crucial to allocate 30% of your income towards your discretionary spending, or wants. Understanding the distinction between needs and wants is pivotal, and we'll clarify this further in this discussion. Let's start with clothing. While it's essential to dress appropriately, clothing primarily falls into the category of wants. You don't need to spend exorbitant amounts on attire. Thrift stores like Goodwill or Salvation Army offer budget-friendly options. While it's prudent to allocate a small portion of your budget, say $20 monthly, for essential clothing, you can minimize this expense significantly. Similarly, phones and associated bills are not vital for survival or shelter, classifying them as wants. Despite their importance in modern life, phones are technically discretionary expenses. Nonetheless, given their ubiquitous nature, having a phone is often deemed necessary, especially in today's digitally driven world. Next, let's discuss dining out. While enjoyable, restaurant meals constitute discretionary spending. Unlike groceries, which are essential for sustenance, dining out involves paying for the service and convenience of having meals prepared for you. Entertainment and vacations also fall under discretionary spending. While it's acceptable to allocate 30% of your income towards wants, it's essential to strike a balance. Overindulging in discretionary spending may lead to a monotonous or unfulfilled lifestyle, as depicted in the illustration. However, it's crucial not to forego all discretionary spending entirely, as this could lead to a dull existence. By auditing your expenses and tracking your budget, You can gain insight into how much you're currently allocating towards wants versus needs. This evaluation enables you to make informed adjustments to your spending habits, ensuring that you maintain a balanced financial approach. Remember, while it's acceptable to indulge in discretionary spending, moderation and prudent budgeting are key to financial stability and fulfillment. Let's delve into the final aspect of financial planning, allocating 20% towards savings and investments. While personal preferences may vary, adhering to this guideline can provide a solid foundation. For instance, if you earn $30,000 annually after taxes, you'd allocate $15,000 for needs, $9,000 for wants, and the remaining 20%, $6,000, for savings and investments, encompassing retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks. Achieving this 20% benchmark can significantly enhance your financial well-being, a feat not commonly attained by most millennials. Even if you're diligently contributing to your 401k, ensuring this 20% allocation could substantially improve your financial standing. Though market fluctuations are inevitable, historical trends indicate a general upward trajectory, bolstering the case for prudent savings and investment habits. Furthermore, it's crucial to consider debt repayment as part of your savings and investment strategy. Whether paying off debts or investing, both avenues contribute positively to your financial health. Additionally, maintaining an emergency fund equivalent to 6 months' expenses is imperative to weather unforeseen financial storms, such as job losses or medical emergencies. The 50-30-20 rule can be tailored based on individual circumstances. If your post-tax income exceeds $50,000 annually, particularly outside of high-cost areas like New York or San Francisco, consider adjusting the allocation to 50% for needs, 20% for wants, and 30% for savings and investments. This slight modification can potentially expedite your retirement timeline by several years, granting you the possibility of retiring as early as age 50. While adhering to financial guidelines, it's essential to strike a balance between prudent saving and enjoying life's pleasures. Allocating funds for leisure activities and hobbies ensures a well-rounded approach to financial management. Remember, financial planning is a journey, and making informed decisions today can lead to a more secure future tomorrow. I hope you found today's dive into the 50-30-20 rule as enlightening as I did. But the learning doesn't stop here. If you've got burning questions or want to share your own experiences with budgeting and financial planning, drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you, and your insights could spark some fantastic discussions in our community. And if you're hungry for more knowledge bombs on how to crush your financial goals and live your best life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe, ring that notification bell, and let's embark on this epic journey to financial freedom together. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, anything is possible. Until next time, stay curious, stay motivated, and keep hustling towards your dreams. Catch you in the next video.